Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide private photo in Realme Note 50. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to files, just tap it and scroll it down. As you see, we have option of save folder here. So just click on save folder. After that, select the password type. I am selecting pattern and then enter the password. Click next and then again re-enter the password to confirm. After that, click on next, then got it. So as you see, the save folder is now ready. All you guys have to do now, just select any picture which you want to hide and then move it to the save folder. I am selecting this picture and I want to hide this picture. So just go to three dot option. Here we have option of move to save folder. So just click on save folder and then enter the password which you set. So after that, the picture is now hide and now time to check it. So just go to save folder and then enter the password. So as you see, the picture is now here and you can access from this folder. So that's it about the video. This is how we can save any picture or hide any picture in a save folder or hide any picture in Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.